DJI has been on a roll this year, rolling out a range of impressive gadgets, from compact cameras to sophisticated filmmaking drones. They've been diligent in upgrading each product line, demonstrating their commitment to pushing technological boundaries. However, amidst this flurry of high-tech releases, there's one drone that seems to have been left untouched: the Avata. Today, let's take a closer look at what we know about the upcoming DJI Avata. The Avata has been like that steadfast companion, always there when you need it. But whispers in the drone community suggest a new rendition might be on the horizon, possibly dubbed the DJI Avata 2. This has sparked excitement, with hopes pinned on a makeover to address the Avata's occasional wobbliness, particularly when it's pushed to its limits in pursuit of that picture-perfect moment. The current Avata, while user-friendly, falters at higher speeds, failing to deliver the precise cinematic shots users crave. Many have voiced concerns about its shaky flights, hinting at a possible design flaw. Rumors indicate that a revamped Avata is in development, aimed at ironing out these stability issues and enhancing reliability. Another common gripe among Avata pilots is its limited battery life. While comparable drones can soar for up to 15 minutes, the Avata clocks in at a mere 9 to 10 minutes. On the DJI forum, users are buzzing with expectations for the Avata 2, with the consensus leaning toward a significant overhaul to ensure smoother and more stable flights. The buzz surrounding the Avata 2 centers mainly on stability upgrades. While the current version boasts propeller guards for safety, they somewhat hinder its maneuverability in tight spaces. Anticipated improvements aim to revamp the Avata's design, placing stability at the forefront to ensure dependable performance even in challenging flying scenarios. Addressing the issue of limited battery life, DJI appears poised to bolster the Avata 2's endurance. The brief flight duration of the current model often necessitates frequent battery changes, which can be inconvenient for capturing spontaneous moments. Drawing from recent technological strides, DJI intends to extend the Avata 2's flight time to an impressive 20 minutes, a marked enhancement from its predecessor. Safety remains paramount, prompting DJI to enhance obstacle avoidance capabilities. While the current Avata features a sensor for detecting obstacles below, DJI aims to make it more user-friendly by introducing directional obstacle avoidance. This enhancement seeks to bolster the drone's safety system, enabling the Avata 2 to navigate its surroundings with heightened awareness and adaptability. Drone enthusiasts are eagerly counting down the days until the anticipated reveal of the DJI Avata 2. This timing falls in line with DJI's meticulous research and development schedule, typically spanning a 2-year period. While the wait might test the patience of Avata fans, the promised enhancements are expected to make it well worth their while. In the interim, excitement fills the drone community as enthusiasts ponder the potential upgrades that the Avata 2 could introduce. Whether it's improved stability, extended flight duration, or advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, users are voicing their expectations for DJI's upcoming Whoop-style drone. To sum up, the DJI Avata 2 appears poised to redefine the landscape of FPV drones. With rumors suggesting a redesign aimed at addressing stability concerns, a substantial boost in flight duration, and enhanced obstacle avoidance technology, the Avata 2 holds the promise of delivering an unparalleled aerial experience. The drone community buzzes with anticipation, envisioning the groundbreaking innovations that DJI will unveil with the Avata 2.